Alright, this next question is a fun one and a little bit trickier, and it requires a few steps, but let's have a go. And so the question is, find the angle produced by a square and a regular pentagon. And it's the angle A on the outside of the shape, and that's called an exterior angle. So with this type of question, what you have to do is just put down everything you know, really, and try to work through the steps in order to solve the missing angle. And so the key things to know here is that we have a square, and we know that a square has a right angle, so I can write 90 in there. We have a interior angle of a pentagon, a regular one, so I'm going to have to find what that is. And we have the third angle, and they all make a circle. Angles around a point add up to 360. So we're going to work backwards from 360 to find that missing angle. So how do we find out our angles inside a regular pentagon? Well, I made a video of this on the fundamentals, so we'll just recap. We know that there's an equation to use, and that is n take away 2 times 180. Now we can use that for any polygon that we need to find the total angles inside it. So n represents how many sides there are, and in a pentagon there are 5. So 5 take away 2 times 180 is 3 times 180, that is 540. And conveniently, this is a regular shape, so all the angles are the same inside. So I can just divide 540 by 5 to give me the answer, 108. So this angle in here is 108. And then once we found out that, we can just take the two angles that we know away from 360. 360 take away 90, that's 270. And then take away 108. It's going to be 6 by 10 minus 8, 2, 6 take away 0, 2 take away 1, 162 is our answer. Okay, so I'd like you to have a go yourself with the practice questions below. Just try to use what you know, take a few steps to find your answer. Good luck.